Welcome back. This is round 2 action in TVJ's Junior Schools Challenge Quiz. The scores are actually Vaz Prep on 3 and Mount Airy Primary on 3. Vaz's answer, Universal Negro Improvement Association, was in fact correct. It's now time for the Junior Challenge Face-Off, which covers math, science, English language, and social studies. Face-Off 1 is in the category of mathematics. It's between Indiria Campbell of Mount Airy All-Age, who's up against Dion Miller of Vaz Prep. Indiria, we begin with you. What's the area of a square if one side is 1.9 centimeters? Question passes. Dion, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 3.61 centimeters squared. Indiria, $1,800 is divided in the ratio 5 to 3 to 2. What's the smallest amount? Question passes. Dion, want to try? Dion, want to try? All right.
No, thank you.
No time for that. So it's $360 is the correct answer. Indiria, giving your answer as a mixed number in its lowest terms, what is 3 3/4 plus 1 7/8? Question passes. Dion, would you like to try?
No, thank you.
It's 5 5/8. Indiria, a book bought for $1,300 is sold to make a profit of 20%. For how much was it sold?
$260.
That's incorrect. Indiria, I'm sorry, Dion, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you. $1,560.
That is correct. Indiria, what is 89.675 rounded to the nearest tenth?
90.675.
That's incorrect. Dion, want to try?
Yes, thank you. 89.7.
That is correct. Dion, we're now over to you. What's the perimeter of a square with an area of 4.84 centimeters squared? Question passes. Indiria, would you like to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's 8.8 centimeters. Dion, $2,200 is divided in the ratio 1 to 4 to 6. What's the largest amount? Question passes. Indiria, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's $1,200. Dion, giving your answer as a mixed number in its lowest terms, what is 4 5/6 plus 2 2/3? Question passes to Indiria. Want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 7.5. Dion, an item was bought for $1,500 and is sold for $1,725. What's the profit percentage?
$175.
That's incorrect. Indiria, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
The profit percentage is 15%. Dion, what is 54.675 rounded to the nearest hundredth?
54.68.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of science. It's between Damir Houghton of Mount Airy All-Age. He's up against Giovanni Edwards of Vaz Prep. Damir, in which state of matter is there definite volume and shape?
Solid.
That's right. What's the name of the nerves that carry impulses from the sense organs in humans?
Sensory nerves.
That's correct. What's the chemical formula for ice? Question passes. Giovanni, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's H2O. Damir, what type of pollution causes acid rain?
Air pollution.
That's correct. Which color in the spectrum of light has the shortest wavelength?
Green.
That's incorrect. Giovanni, want to try?
Purple.
That is correct, or violet. Giovanni, we're now over to you. In which state of matter is there definite volume but variable shape?
Liquid.
That's right. What's the name for the nerves that carry impulses from the brain to the muscles in humans? Question passes. Damir, want to try?
No, thank you,
It's
miss.
motor nerves. Giovanni, at what temperature does water freeze to the solid state known as ice?
0. 0 degrees.
That's incomplete. Damir, would you like to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. 0 degrees Celsius.
That is correct. Giovanni, what specific type of air pollution causes damage to the ozone layer? Question passes. Damir, want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. CFCs.
That's incorrect. Chemical air pollution is the correct answer. Giovanni, which color in the spectrum of light has the longest wavelength?
Yellow.
That's incorrect. Damir, want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. Red.
That is correct. Taking us now to our next face-off in the category of English language is between Jacob Buchanan of Mount Airy All-Age, who's up against Kavari Allen of Vaz Prep. Jacob, identify the adverb in this sentence. My book could be found nowhere.
Nowhere.
That's correct. Spell bureaucrat.
Bureaucrate.
That's incorrect. Kavari, want to try?
Beaucrat.
That's also incorrect. It's bureaucrat. Jacob, what's the superlative form of the word well?
Most well.
That's incorrect. Kavari, want to try?
Best.
That is correct. Jacob, what part of speech is the word round in this sentence? It was a large, round circle.
Adjective.
That's right. Form a noun from the verb to abbreviate. Kavari, want to try?
Abbreviation.
That is correct. Kavari, we're now over to you. Identify the adverb in this sentence. We shall see you then.
Then.
That's right. Spell bereavement. Question passes. Jacob, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's bereavement. Bereavement. Kavari, what's the comparative form of the word much?
More.
That's right. What part of speech is the word round in this sentence? The man played a round of golf.
Verb.
That's incorrect. Jacob, want to try?
Yes, thank you.
Go ahead.
Noun. Noun.
That's right. Kavari, form an adjective from the verb to conclude.
Conclusion.
That's incorrect. Jacob, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's conclusive or concluding. And that brings us now to our next face-off in the category of social studies. It's between the captain of Mount Airy All-Age, Captain Tisson Staple, who's up against the captain of Vaz Prep, Captain Jaleel James. Captain Tisson, we begin with you. Which planet's year comprises 88 Earth days?
Mercury.
That's right. In which year did the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States come into effect?
1873.
That's incorrect. Captain Jaleel, want to try?
No, thank you.
1981. Captain Tisson, in which Jamaican parish are the Hope Botanical Gardens?
St. Andrew.
That's right. In what year did St. Kitts and Nevis achieve independence?
1981.
That's incorrect. Captain Jalil, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's 1983. What's the name of the largest asteroid, Tison? Question passes. Captain Jalil, want to try?
No, thank you.
It's Ceres. Captain Jalil, over to you. Which planet's year comprises 164.8 Earth days?
Venus.
I'm sorry, let me read it again. Which planet's year comprises 164.8 Earth years?
Venus.
That's incorrect. Captain Tison, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's Neptune. Captain Jalil, how many islands comprise the Organization of Eastern Caribbean States?
23.
That's incorrect. Captain Tison, want to try?
Yes. 9.
That's correct. Captain Jalil, in which Jamaican parish is the Drax Hall water wheel?
St. Elizabeth.
That's incorrect.
What?
Captain Tison, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's St. Anne. Jalil, in what year did the Bahamas achieve independence?
1979.
That's incorrect. Tison, want to try?
Yes, thank you, miss. 1970.
That's also incorrect. It's 1973. Captain Jalil, what's the name of the brightest asteroid? Question passes. Captain Tison, want to try?
No, thank you, miss.
It's Vesta. Vesta is the correct answer. And that's the end of the final face-off and the end of section 2. The scores are Vaz Prep on 11 and Mount Airy Primary on 12. Stay tuned. The final challenge will determine our winners right after this break.